Good Veda Day Wednesday. Just got back from a run. Took that one and this one on a short morning run, and now I'm gonna go back to work. I worked a little bit before the run, and now I'm gonna take a shower and get back to it. We are heading out to get some free sawdust so we can make bokashi for our composting system. I did not. Right. We're going north. I've been trying to keep an eye on Craigslist to get some sawdust. I did not anticipate the pandemic, and so the place that I was thinking of going is now not working right now, so they don't have any sawdust. Mission accomplished. We now have sawdust. It's very large.
Am I going this way?
Yep. I just want everyone to get the size scale of this bag of sawdust. It was placed in here with a forklift. So now we just have to get it out. There's Nova. Hi. Let's go see what Marissa's up to. Marissa's showing me her garlic.
Garlic.
Ooh.
Garlic.
Planted all around the rose bushes. You know why?
Because horses love garlic.
That's right.